Okie doke, the floor is in. I seal coated it with a waterproofing just for mold and mildew and in case anything does leak. But the next step now is to take my schematic. I've got everything measured out here down to the inch, and we are going to take tape and we're going to put the whole layout in here so we know where everything goes. So let's do it. I always say the lawn doesn't mow itself. Let's get busy. I have to say that this is a really exciting moment for me. It's amazing. I did all these meticulous measurements and I've just taped out my layout and it all just came to fruition. The water tank fits exactly where I thought it was going to be. These are 2 benches, a little bit of storage back there, probably a U-shaped seat. I'm going to have my S-bar heater here. This will be just a cabinet with drawers, countertop height, stove. Here's where my propane tank for my stove is going to go. That's what I got. Dometic oven that hooks up to propane that'll pipe outside. I framed the shower pan in this morning before I even did any of this and it fits perfectly. This will be floor to ceiling with a refrigerator here and some cabinets. This will be a 36-inch height counter with some storage space. So it's amazing to me because I can really start to visualize it now and see what pieces are going to come together, and it's very gratifying. So thumbs up.